I have never used MacBook in my life until now. This brand new M4 MacBook Air I just purchased changed everything about my laptop perception. So in this video, let's quickly unbox it and take you through multiple points about MacBook Air M4 as a first time MacBook user in this video. So let's start. Here we got our classic Apple packaging, minimal but premium. Let me open it, and in this box we have got our main device. For now, let's keep it aside. And here is our braided cable. The color matches your MacBook color, so mine is midnight. After that we get our some manuals, 30 watts USB-C charger, and the charger can be higher like 35 watts if you order higher variant MacBook Air. Okay, so now getting back to the main device, here is 13-inch MacBook Air M4 midnight variant, which is incredibly thin, just 11.3 mm. Yes guys, it is so thin, very classic but powerful body because it is all aluminum and there is no fan. So complete package, a complete solid body for your usage. Here you get two Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, along with that MagSafe 3 charging and a headphone jack. Yes guys, it is still there, thank god, right? Also talking about my variant, it is 10 core CPU, 8 core GPU, and the RAM that is 16 GB, which can go up to maximum of 24 GB. So now all laptop or all MacBook Air M4 come with a 16 GB to support Apple AI. Friends, whenever we purchase any laptop, the first thing we touch, that is a trackpad. And guys, trust me, the trackpad of MacBook Air M4, that is best in any laptop. Yes, the touch, the smoothness, the gestures it can do, the feel, the smoothness feel it has is incredibly satisfying. To be honest, I never thought the MacBook Air trackpad can be so good because I have never used a MacBook earlier. So the feel, the reaction, the impression for a first time is really good. And with Magic Keyboard, the typing feels really great because while typing, the keys feedback you get is really smooth and awesome. Guys, here just to add one point, the design or the size, the trackpad size, the keyboard size is so perfectly designed, I will tell you, because in portable situation, whenever you are traveling and sitting in any position, if you are using a laptop, it becomes very easy to use your MacBook in any situation because it is so compact and well designed or well placed. Also, as a first time MacBook user, I was really amazed with one thing, that is MacBook's boot timing. Guys, trust me, until you completely open your MacBook, the MacBook is powered on and you can just unlock it and start using it just like it was never shut down. The apps will open incredibly faster. Okay, all the process will open or work just like the laptop or a MacBook was never shut down. So just open it and start using it. It is all possible because of the M4 chip, the powerful M4 chip it has in it. And the only thing that dissatisfied me for now as a first impression, that is the stains or your fingerprints stains on your screen or display as well as your body, because it is a matte finish, the dark color, midnight color, so the stains are visible easily. Also on the display, they stay or they stick for a longer time. If you care about such things, then I would say go for a lighter version or a silver color, because on the dark color the stains are visible much more. Friends, that's it for a first impression video, a detailed review video with your real life situation, how comfortable it is, how portable it is, a detailed video, not only technical part but everything else will be covered in coming video. For that, stay tuned, like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. See you in the next video.